Do you want to know how to use NGL app and send anonymous messages with Instagram? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so don't make any mistake in this process. First step is to open the application. If you don't have NGL account, you have to type in your Instagram username. Click on done and now we have our NGL link. Click on copy link and click on share on the bottom part of the screen. It will show you the instruction you need to do. So click on the sticker button, click on link, paste your link and then position your stickers. Now click on the share on Instagram and do the step instructed earlier. After doing this, if you check our inbox on NGL, it is now empty. So I will use my another account to send messages. Type in your message and click on send. Now let's go back to NGL app, go to the inbox page, click on envelope and now you can see that we have an anonymous message. So that is how you use NGL app and send anonymous messages using Instagram. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comment about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.